In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically reply to Instagram direct messages using AI. We'll use ManyChat to capture incoming messages and N8N to generate smart, friendly replies. No coding required, and by the end, you'll have a complete loop from Instagram to AI and back. First, connect Instagram to ManyChat. Head to manychat.com and log in. Open Settings. Select Instagram and connect your Instagram business account. Make sure your Instagram is linked to a Facebook page. That's required for the API connection to work. Once connected, go to Automation and create a new flow. For the trigger, choose When user sends a message. This tells ManyChat to listen for any new DM so it can hand it off to our workflow. Next, send the message from ManyChat to N8N. Inside your flow, add an action and choose External Request. Set the method to post and the content type to JSON. Leave the URL empty for now. We'll paste it in a moment. In the body field, include a small JSON object so we pass the user's text and name. Type an open curly brace, then message, /last text input, a comma, username, first name, and a closing curly brace. Save the flow so you don't lose your work. Now, create the webhook in N8N. Open your N8N Cloud workspace, go to Overview, and click Create Workflow. When prompted for a trigger, choose On Webhook Call. Open the webhook node, set the HTTP method to post, and set the path to Instagram DMAI. Save, then copy the production URL. Go back to ManyChat and paste this URL into the External Requests URL field. Time to add the AI agent in N8N. Click. What happens next? Choose AI and select AI agent. Connect the webhook node to the AI agent. Pick your preferred model, for example, OpenAI. In the system prompt, paste, "You are an Instagram assistant." Reply in a friendly, short, conversational tone. Keep answers under 3 sentences. For the user message, click Expression and enter Hard JSON message. Save. We'll send the AI's reply back to ManyChat. Click. What happens next again? Choose Core and select Respond to Webhook. Connect the AI agent to respond to Webhook. Set response mode to JSON. For the response body, enter Reply. JSON. Output. Save the workflow. Activate everything. Click Publish in N8N. Then return to ManyChat and turn on your flow. Send a direct message to your Instagram account to test. If everything is connected, the AI will reply automatically. You've just built a fully automated Instagram assistant. The message goes to ManyChat, then to N8N, AI generates a reply, and it's sent back instantly.